Alright guys, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be removing the mirror caps and Plasti dipping them black. Now remove your pins for your mirror defrost. Now you're going to need a Torx 10 head for these outside pins. There's two. Now once you have your screws removed, you'll remove your black trim. Pull your mirror glass through the inside of the black trim, and then pop off your mirror cap. And then we'll go spray all of this off and clean it real good before we Plasti dip it. All right, for your first coat, you want to try to do a thin, light layer. Alright, we had to move outside to get better lighting for y'all, but this is the second coat going on now. Next we're going to be using a Plasti dip glossifier to give it a gloss. Alright guys, we're going to be putting back together the mirror of my Jetta. Just finished spraying them. Pull your mirror glass through. Make sure to reconnect your mirror defrost plugins. Push your mirror back in place. And there you go. So actually not all, there you go. I forgot to put the screws in, so I just had to go and finish doing that. But I did that, and here's the final product. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.